This is a 2015 Toyota Camry. We'll be replacing the drive belt and the tensioner. So the tensioner is located right here with a number 14 millimeter socket and a ratchet. We're gonna just pull downward like so, loosening the drive belt, and then we're gonna remove the drive belt. Now with the drive belt removed, I'm gonna use a 12 millimeter socket right here with my ratchet and remove this bolt here to remove the tensioner. Once you remove that 12 millimeter bolt, the tensioner just comes right out. So I have my new one here. Be sure that this point on the tensioner fits directly in this top part right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this one in with that top part fitting right in there. And now I'm gonna put that 12 millimeter bolt back in, tighten it down. Now with my 12 millimeter bolt tightened back down the tensioner, I'm gonna go ahead and install my new drive belt here. First I'm gonna wrap it around the two bottom ones, just placing it in. And then I'm going to go around the tensioner, so the back side is around behind it, as well as the back side on the idle pulley right here, and attaching it to the alternator up here. It's kind of a little difficult to explain. Maybe I can get a view after I'm done, but for the most part I'd recommend Googling it. But let me go ahead and get this installed and we'll be done. Alright, so got my drive belt on now. So wrapped around the harmonic balancer back there, the compressor down there around it, and the back sides are around the idle pulley here, as well as the tensioner, and then looped back onto the alternator here. So pretty simple once you get it on. So now that we have everything installed, we're just going to start it up and see if it's still making that squeaking noise. Hopefully it's not, but that's it. So thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. More videos to come.